How to fix YouTube Studio upload stuck on processing will begin shortly. So if you want to fix YouTube Studio upload stuck on processing will begin shortly, then let's get started. If you're not being able to use YouTube Studio or upload any video using YouTube Studio and it only says processing will begin shortly, then I've got you covered. First thing you need to do is head over to your settings. After that, scroll down and go with apps. From apps, you need to go with manage apps, and from there you need to search for YouTube Studio. Once you find your YouTube Studio, you need to scroll down and then go with clear data, which will be on the bottom, and then clear the cache. Tap on OK. Once you clear the cache, you need to go back and then open up your Play Store or your App Store and then search for YouTube Studio. And if you have any updates on your YouTube Studio, just simply go and update it. After updating, the problem might be fixed. Or you can also go with your Google and search for YouTube Studio Down Detector. You can check if YouTube's server is down. You'll be able to see a red mark if the server is down. If the server is down, then there's nothing that you can do about that. You got to simply wait for YouTube to fix that issue. So that is basically how you can fix YouTube Studio. Upload stuck on processing will begin shortly. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.